welcome back to Life Snapshot. I've been doing an unboxing of all this stuff that I got from the deceased estate. This is the third video. I couldn't help myself because I've seen this box and I thought it might be kind of interesting. Anyway, you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, comment, hit the button, thanks for the likes, all that sort of stuff would be awesome. But this is the third video, so there's two before this if you want to see where I all started from. This is from a deceased estate. I spent $1,500, probably up around the $700, maybe more, probably more, but I'm being very conservative on the prices. It's Australian prices, so all you US people, trust me, this stuff probably looks like nothing. Well, in Australia it costs a lot. So thanks for coming along on my journey, because I really enjoy this stuff. So this hasn't even been opened. I thought I'd have a look at this stuff because it's Kebri, I think it's called. This is really good quality stuff. And I thought I'd have a look at it. I just checked online. This stuff goes anywhere between $50 and $100, some of this stuff. I'm just having a quick look. It looks like it's unopened. Look at this. It's unopened. Some sort of... Look at this. I got no idea what this is because it says that. It says that on it. I think it's a little. Oh my God, that's. Is that the heads of them, and then that's the bodies? It is too. Look at that. That's the bodies, and the legs. A better look. Can you believe that? And look, there's the feet. There's the little body part, and there's the feet. Unbelievable. So that's what I was like, why is that look so different? So yeah, there's that. And you look online in Australia, they're probably about $50–60. Alright, we've got some, yeah, see, so I thought this was going to be awesome. It still is awesome, but this box obviously is nothing box. Well, not what it says on the box. I don't know what they are. Got no idea what they are. But anyway. And some little people again, which is, you know, I'll never complain about having too much of that. Unopened, same thing. Cool little men. Same again. Cool little. Looks like soldiers. Which I don't know how I'm going to incorporate those into my setup, because I really don't want any army theme or anything like that going onto it. But they're cool to have, cool to look at. Oh, this one, this box is like pretty good. I suppose it's all right. But again, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. He must have been going through. Look at this one. This one's just, it's basically, look at that. Just been sitting in a dusty shed, untouched, unopened. Cool, very cool, very cool. So I'm gonna have to put all that back in. So, and one more thing. What is this? It looks like a little. Okay, it's got like a little man on a forklift and stuff like that. Yeah, that looks better on that side. Unopened. And this brand, top quality brand. Made in Europe, so really cool detail and a couple little cars. So there you go, there's another box. I'll just have a quick look. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've still got 11 boxes. Would you believe it? 11. Look, there is probably 4 or 5 boxes that are just, it looks like junk, but I haven't dug underneath, so you just don't know. But yeah, I'm being positive about this because so far it's blowing me away. I'm getting close to $1,000 worth of stuff right now. I only spent $1,500 on this stuff, so I'm very, very happy. And if you don't know, I've said this before in the other videos, it's not about the money, it's about the enjoyment of doing this. If you get it for a good price, hey, who's complaining, right? So it's not about me reselling this stuff. It's about something that's going to be a long time hobby for mine. I'm looking at doing a massive thing, probably 2 rooms, maybe 2 double garage out there. I might be doing it as a double garage, but it's going to be huge. And it's going to be, you know, as you get on in life, you need something to do, you need something to keep the brain going. This is what I'm going to be doing. It's, you know, you don't have to be, you know, strong to do it. It's light work, and it's extremely enjoyable, and it's so satisfaction. Get so much satisfaction out of it. Thanks very much for everybody to watching. Please see if Evelyn started a new kitchen thing. She's an awesome cook. Check it out. She gives you step-by-step things how to do some really nice cooking. And yeah, thanks for the support again, guys. All the best. I'll see you on the next one.